Yes, Q1, so we've just received an ETA of the aircraft. It's now 0937, 0937. The runway in use now is runway 06. The emergency aircraft will be landing runway 06.
United 134, contact Shannon approach 121.4, good day.
121.4, United 134.
Position is 64 miles to the west of Shannon. ILS approach runway 06, 8 is Alpha's current.
And we have Alpha, United 134.
Q1, the next arrival will be the emergency aircraft. It's landing runway 06 and the ETA is still time 37.
They're on standby on the taxiways adjacent to runway 06. They will be following you after you land. And just confirm, do you want an inspection on the runway or do you want to vacate to stand?
No, well, negative. We won't need an inspection. We'll just taxi to the stand for United 134.
Okay, perfect. So they'll be proceeding behind you on taxi and vacation.
Okay, sounds good, United 134.
That at the moment their intention is not to stop on the runway and continue to taxi off the runway and taxi all the way to stand.
Do you have any lower for United 134?
United 134, affirm descend now altitude 3,000 feet, QNH is 1023 hectopascals.
1023 down to 3,000 feet, United 134.
United 134, clear to establish the localizer at Alpam, cleared ILS approach runway 06, report established.
Dallas 06, report established, United 134.
Q1, the aircraft now is turning inbound at 10 miles from touchdown.
Night 22, approach, you starting a new line?
We're off the same block at the moment, but yeah, we're turning northbound just to commence our next flight from line entity.
Right, that's perfect, and maintaining 4,900 feet on the QNH 1023 hectopascal.
Maintaining 4,900 feet, QNH 1023, entity.
134, expect to vacate at the end of runway Delta 2. There are rescue vehicles holding halfway down and on taxiway Charlie. They'll follow you onto the runway behind off the alarm.
Understand that exit at the end, United 134.